What are you doing, Landon? Huh? Are you right?
Where's Landon? Where's Landon? Hey!
Hey! You gotta get...
Are you riding? Are you riding, Daisy? Uh-oh. Uh-oh. If you fall off, get back on.
What's he doing?
He wrestles with her a lot. Yeah, he does this almost every morning. No, she just lets him do whatever. Lena, what are you doing, honey? Where's your dog? Where's Daisy? Where's Daisy? Daisy, Daisy. Daisy Lou. Oh. Daisy Lou. Ooh. See your diaper. Landon, look over here. Oh no. What do you have, her tail? No, don't eat her tail. Ew. Don't eat her tail. Don't eat her tail. Landon, that's gross. What are you doing? I see your foot. Uh-oh, what are you getting? What are you doing, honey? Be careful, okay?
He's trying to get in the middle of the stool.
Look at him. He's like, what are you doing, honey? What are you doing? Are you stuck? You stuck? You're fine. What are you doing? Huh? Are you trying to get out now? Dog?
Man, I haven't had her on for the longest.
Dog? Can you say bye? Landon! Landon! What does the doggy say? Huh? What does the doggy say? Huh? Ah! Do you want to get in there? You want to go for a ride? It's fun, isn't it? You ready to go for a ride? Oh, you're going to get dizzy. Okay, that's good. Come on. Is that fun? What? Oh, don't eat things in there. Ew, don't, what is that? Gross! Ugh, don't eat that. Say yucky. Yuck. Okay, can you say bye-bye? Say bye.
Yeah.
What? Do it again. Say bye-bye. Say bye.
Bye.
Landon, say bye. Bye-bye. Bye-bye. Can you say bye-bye? Okay. I'll say it for you. Bye-bye. Wave. Can you wave?
Bye.
Bye.